Welcome to Maine, where peaceful country living meets modern comfort in this beautifully maintained Maine ranch. Tucked away on a quiet dead-end road, this property sits on 2 private acres, offering space, privacy, and versatility all in one perfect package. As you arrive, you'll notice the home's inviting curb appeal, with a welcoming front deck that's perfect for morning coffee as the sun rises over your tranquil surroundings. Step inside to find a bright and open layout that immediately feels like home. The kitchen seamlessly connects to the dining area and front living room, creating a natural flow that's ideal for both entertaining guests and everyday living. Cathedral ceilings and large windows fill the space with sunlight, enhancing the warm and airy atmosphere. The primary bedroom suite is your private retreat, featuring a spacious walk-in closet, a soaking tub for relaxation, and a separate shower for convenience. A second bedroom, a full common bathroom, and a cozy den or office provide plenty of room for family, guests, or working from home. You'll also appreciate the first-floor laundry, designed with ease and accessibility in mind for true one-level living. From the main house, step through the front-to-back breezeway into the heated garage, a dream setup for hobbyists, woodworkers, or anyone needing extra space. Above the garage, an additional living area offers endless possibilities. With its own full bathroom, bedroom, and bonus room, this space is ideal for guests, an in-law suite, or even a private home office or studio. Outside, enjoy peaceful evenings on the back patio, surrounded by trees and open sky. This home was designed for comfort year-round, featuring a new heating system and an on-demand propane generator to ensure you're always prepared. Whether you're seeking a quiet place to unwind, a flexible home with room for guests, or a cozy retreat close to Maine's stunning coastal towns, 3 Nonesuch Road has something for everyone. From its thoughtful design to its tranquil setting, this is a place where you can truly slow down and enjoy life the Maine way, simple, serene, and full of charm. Come experience 3 Nonesuch Road, a home where every detail invites you to stay